welcome back to my video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing an unboxing of a Motorola Krzr K1M from You Sell to Us. Like I said, I should have done this one with the other unboxing I got from them as well, like the Samsung Rant and the S4, but totally forgot about it, so it's going to be a separate video. Now I picked this phone up for parts because I got a white Verizon Krzr coming in pretty soon. I actually have one right here actually, but I found a different one that's in better shape that we're going to take the inner black in and put on the white exterior. So I bought this one for the interior pieces, and yeah, I'll have some spare parts as well. This one's kind of sticky. No battery. It's a K1M. It's probably one of these refurbished ones. I know like a lot of these ones that I got from them are kind of like a refurbished unit. Let me grab a Krzr battery so we can test it real quick, just because we have it here and I have my Krzrs right here. That's my Alto version right there. This little charging flap likes to fall open, it looks like. It looks like the display is actually broken on this one. So yeah, it looks like oh, never mind, there it goes. Thought the backlight was probably out, but the inside looks to be in excellent shape though, including the display. So yeah, it's one of those generic ones, like a refurbished unit. So yeah, it'd be a good parts phone. That's what I figured it would be, but usually the inside's in really good shape, especially the keypad. You know, they usually have that yellowish wear on them like this one does. Yeah, so that's the reason I went for this one. So there's a little unboxing, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video on this one. Like I said, I got a couple more going, so stay tuned for the next one.